It seems that every week a 20-something Yankee is breaking a record or earning an award. Miguel Andujar is the latest bomber to take home some hardware.
That's Miguel Andujar. The dude can do and get niggy with it.
The Yankees' third baseman was named the American League Rookie of the Month for June. It was his first career monthly award. In 25 games, he hit .264 with 10 runs, 6 doubles, 7 home runs, and 20 runs batted in. He led all Major League rookies in home runs and extra base hits and was tied for first in RBI. Andujar is the 6th Yankees player to win the award, joining 3 of his teammates, Gary Sanchez, Aaron Judge, and Gleyber Torres. Entering 2018, third base was one of the only question marks on a roster chalked with stability at almost every position. Miguel Andujar has quickly turned that question mark into an exclamation point.